Done this before.
Beautiful.
Buddy, we had to wait a bit, but the tide's just turning, and they're starting to fire up. Hopefully Snaga's got a good one. He's just back down around the corner. So we've got fish here, but hopefully Snaga he's got something down there. Yes, as I said, he's just back down around the corner. Oh, yeah, we're on. Big fish too. Big fish. Holy. Get him in, Carney, get him in. Good fish. Good fish. Holy, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Get the pressure on. We still got it. Yeah, we still got it. Oh, we've got the lure stuck in it now too. Come on. Oh yeah, this is a better fish. Oh yeah, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, this is a good fish, eh? Got the sun in our eyes too. Come on. Come on, round it come. Holy. It's going for a run. Come on, Barramundi. Come on, come up and have a look at you. It's not a bad fish. It's gonna bloody. Come on. Come on. Let's have a look at you. Oh, it's in his back. Not as good as what I thought, but we got him. Come on the camo green. Yes, that's another one. Oh. It's hooked backwards in the head. Oh. Camo green doing it here today. Look at that. Come on, mate. It's a 62. Here we go. Nice. Little barramundi, silver yellow tail. Here we go, guys. Wrap the lure. Camo green does the job again. Holy guys, that sun's bad. Oh. Jeepers. What about the last one, eh? I was waving the camera around. Sometimes all depends where the lure hooks it. Oh, yes. Go, baby.
Okay.
See ya.
Bye.
We're on. Oh. Leave her in gear. Wind her up. Oh. And the camo green again. Oh. Come on. Get it round. Go for the fight. Oh. Talking to Sue on the phone, and off it went. Feels like another 70 size. Up it comes, come on. Nice little barramundi. In you come, back out you go. Come on, in you come. Get you back in the water. Barramundis and Starlink. Come on, mate, we'll get you back in. Quick measurement. $61. Back in we go. Beautiful little silver barramundi, $61. There you go, guys, the camo green. Keeping them keen here today on the Pentecost. Let's keep going. Might be nearly knock off time. So you just got 3, mate, eh?
Just a 3, yeah.
Just a 3?
Lost 5, got 3. Someone was ringing me on the phone on the Starlink. He was interrupting me.
Oh, it must be nearly knock off time.
Yeah, I reckon so, mate. We're going to pull up.
I might give this another run because big girl comes through.
One more run. Well, I'll put my lures in there too.
Where are we going to pull up?
I was thinking out that way more. Get away from the bugs and everything in here, you know. Everything out there.
So this is us, eh? We're going to camp here.
Hang on. What was that?
We're going to camp here.
Yeah, I reckon.
Beautiful backdrop. I might we'll throw the anchor out. I'm going to shoot the drone up and have a bit of a look around.
Yeah, for sure. That's Coburn Ranges.
Stick with us, guys. We just we're going to camp up, so we're going to tie off together. So. Evening, guys, look at that, sun setting. Just chilling out here, relaxing, tied up together. Job's never done, always something to do. Fueling up, get the generator ready. Gold. Thank you very much, mate.
No dramas.
Awesome.
One steak.
Thank you.
Tiny the carnival.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, I'm going to kick her in the gut, Snagger.
Yeah, sure.
So guys, we just put the bed out. If you watch Snagger's channel you would have saw us the other week, so I'm just going to start this up. That's on, that's on. We just got to pull it.
You should be good at that, eh?
Yeah.
Look at that.
We're going. So we got the generator. We're going to charge batteries.
There we go.
We got the battery charger. We got the fan.
Alright guys, well that's me. I'll see you in the morning, Carney.
See you in the morning, Snagger.
Okay mate.
See you in the morning, guys. I'll see you guys in the morning as well. Cheers, guys. Morning, guys. Morning, Snagger.
Morning, Carney. How you going, mate?
Yeah, good, thanks. Very beautiful morning here. Tide's just starting to come in. Good night's sleep. Just getting ourselves organised.
Yep.
All right, Snagger. Too easy. Good luck, mate, eh?
Yep, let's get into it, hopefully.
Alright, just get ourselves sorted. They look like prawns. Have a look at them. Just changed locations, guys, so fishing's pretty tough, so Snagger's using his experience and his knowledge, and we just keep looking around. You'll have to bear with us. You can find the bait, find the fish. Hey. The Snagger's collecting some bait. Mullet. Here he goes, he's coming in now. He's got the throw net over his shoulder. He's done this before. Good throw. He's just dipping his bucket in the water. Gee, there was some mullet there. Well done, Snagger. Here he comes now. See, there's some mullet there, mate.
Oh yeah, just a little bit, a lot of small stuff, but we've got some kick back on the dead part of the tide and chuck a bait out.
Ah, beautiful, mate. Alright guys, we've got the mullet, or Snagger has. So, just got to get out of here while it's high tide, so it gets a bit shallower at low tide, so just keep coming along. There we go. Just out on that point there. You're on.
That's your line.
Yeah, I know. I know, we're on.
Here we go.
Oh. I think it's a barra too, eh?
It's a barra?
Yeah, I think so.
Go, Carney, go!
It's a barra.
Oh, what's your lure down there?
You'll have to net it.
Oh, it's a
Barra.
barra, mate!
You'll have to net it, Snaga.
Okay.
Yeah, you've got to net it.
I'll get my line out of the way.
Oh, you put us on the spot, Snaga.
There we go. Right there. You net him.
Oh, that you net him.
Yep.
You're the net king. You tell me.
Whenever you're ready, mate.
Tell me where you want me to go. Here we go. Nice barra. Come on, up you come. Here we go. Yes!
Got him,
well
mate.
netted. Hey, Snaga! Woohoo! Hey! Yeah, nice barramundi.
Beautiful.
Woohoo!
All right.
Beautiful, mate,
I'll
eh?
place him straight down in the middle of your deck, eh?
Yeah, we can do him on your break, mate. I'm easy.
Hey, no, it's all right. Here we go. That's a good fish.
Not a bad barra. Hey, beautiful.
Carney strikes again.
Hey. Come on, big girl. Let's get this hook out. Beautiful barramundi. Let's get him up here. Quick measurement. Oh, you're the man, Snaga. 77, we'll count it.
77. Nice fish, mate.
Beautiful, eh? Nice 77, Pentecost barramundi.
Look at that.
How good's that, eh? Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Alright, guys. Back in we go. Beautiful barramundi. Cheers, Snaga. Awesome, mate, eh?
All right, let's keep
Thank
going.
you. Alright, back out we go, see if we can get another one.
He's on again.
Oh, it's just ready. Net him again.
Yep.
Jeepers.
Taking him for a run.
Cracking.
What do you reckon, Carney?
Yeah, good.
What is it, butt?
Oh, it's ready.
Oh, it's ready. Oh,
It's ready. Threadfed salmon. Or is it a golden thready? Oh, it is a thready.
Yeah, it's ready. Yeah.
I thought it was a caddy there for a minute.
Yeah.
Woohoo! In we go. Beautiful little fish. Here we go.
Nice one.
Another one.
Well done.
Thank you, Dave. Here he goes. Yep.
There he is.
Good stuff.
Oh, no, it's got little head shakes. I think it's a caddy.
Oh no.
Oh no, what a negative one already. And it's a silver caddy.
Oh, Snaga. At least you didn't. At least you still got your mullet.
Well, if it doesn't flick it off when I lift it like that.
Ah.
Bugger.
Maybe if I hold the camera a fair way away, we can say it's a shreddy. Are you, I thought, well, you're not going to measure it.
Yeah, 87.
Get him out quick.
This is starting to feel like a shark. I was going to hit it.
You got it. Whatever it is, you got it.
No.
Oh, yeah, got it.
Oh, big sawfish.
Oh,
Is it a big sorry? Yes, it is.
jeepers. Oh, no. What are you doing?
Carney, didn't get my hook.
Oh. Oh. Oh,
it felt a bit weird.
jeepers.
Need to wear him out a little bit. I'll try and put my line up. Unwrapped. There we go.
What's the best way? Bring him up the side there and get him by the tail.
Oh, nah. I'll just wear him out a little bit first. And then get.
Jeepers. It'll take a bit of wearing out. Only got him about bloody 4 metres back. I don't like where that leader is.
Nah.
Around his sword. Reckon I could net it?
Nah, it's not worth netting. No, like that. I think we're just going to bust off, I think. Just like that there. Oh well.
Oh well.
That was alright. Big sorry.
Bit of entertainment. Well, you're trying to go live.
Yeah, I had to stop that.
Home point updated.
This is, oh, they'll kick me coffee over again. You kicked, at least you didn't stand on your Starlink. So SnagaBarra's going live, guys. Oh buddy, well, it's 3 times now you've stood on the Starlink on Elon.
Oh no.
Are you back? Yeah, he just kicked Elon over and the plug came out. He stood on Elon this morning.
Tell him we're
and then broke a little part of Elon. So lucky he's got bloody super glue here, and then he just kicked him over in the. But anyway, it's It is what it is, eh?
Tell him we're going to go back live, and I'm going to delete that one.
No, you got to leave it.
Just leave it going.
Yeah, just leave it going, he reckons. Ghost reckons leave it. You can't delete it. All right, Ghost. Cheers, eh?
We'll be back on soon.
We'll be back soon.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, basically we're going up for the Pentecost.
Snaga's back on again now.
And then we're going to shoot over to the Durac collab together, and we finally got it happening, I suppose, mate.
Yeah, then we've been talking about going live, but I always say yeah, but I didn't mean no, but then you've actually done it, so.
Yeah, don't worry, we're nervous. We've been sitting there, should we do it? And it's like, come on, let's just bite the bullet.
Yeah, so you said, when am I doing it? And I said, well, we'll see.
Yeah. So when are you going to do it,
well,
mate?
We'll see.
No dramas. All right, guys, you're probably going to get this wind and everything like that, so we'll try and tuck in a better area, and we'll get onto a fish, and then we'll go live there, just so it's not so
Barra boy.
windy.
How you going, Barra boy? Good to see you, mate.
But it's good, yeah, actually going live. We'll try and do another live in another day or two, and continue on, and hopefully get a bite. So as soon as someone gets a bite, we might just go live straight away, and yeah, make it a bit easier, and we'll go from there. All right, we'll see you later on. Thanks for watching, and yeah, and putting down the comments, much appreciated.
Cheers, guys, and we'll see you on the next one soon. You guys are legends.
We'll go live on Andy's. I'll force him. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you then.
Cheers, eh? Just got to move out. How funny was the live? Oh guys, we're up in the Durax. I've seen it on SnagaBarra's videos before. Bloody beautiful, eh? Kind of reminds me about the first time I saw Uluru. Holy, check this out, eh? Bloody beautiful, eh? I don't even care about catching a fish now. So yeah guys, up here there's a top hole, so yeah, right up the top. Like that guys, at the end of this vlog. If you watched it this far, thank you very much. Like, comment and share and subscribe, you guys are legends. Thank you very much, Snagger. Awesome mate, we'll see you on the next one soon.